Assalamualaikum. My name is and I am a second year MBA student from Chala Medical and Dental College.
I'm Mohammed Sunil Bashir and I'm also second year medical student from the Chala Medical and Dental College and we will be mediating this session, which is the last session for today.
Before we proceed, I'd like to ask the audience to kindly switch off your mobile phones to avoid any disturbances. Please also note that you may write any questions that you have on the question cards that are being handed out, and we will open the floor for questions at the end of this session.
The second session of the conference will discuss osteoarthritis, osteoporosis, and crystal arthropathies. And I'm honored to announce that this session is dedicated to Professor Dr. Wajahat Aziz, the immediate past president of the Pakistan Society for Rheumatology.
Before we begin, let us introduce our honorable chairs for session 7. Professor Dr. Nasser, who is a consultant of internal medicine at National Defense Hospital, Lahore. Professor Dr. Jubilee, who is a professor of medicine at Central Park Medical College. Professor Dr. Fervor, who is a professor of medicine at Jubilee Medical College.
To begin this session, I'd first like to call Professor Dr. Sami Salman, who is currently Professor Emeritus in the College of Medicine, University of Baghdad, to discuss pseudo-gout the forget NT.